Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make this exfoliating sea salt sugar scrub. This scrub is great for getting rid of dead skin and also keeping the skin looking very illuminating. Okay, so jumping right into this video, the first thing that you want to make sure that you have is a spoon and a mixing bowl. The first ingredient is some pure cane white sugar. Next, you want to add some pink Himalayan fine-grained pink salt. Any brand of this salt is fine, just make sure that it's some pink Himalayan salt. This is optional, but I like to use Morton Salt as well. Then you can add your choice of sea salt. This is great for like really getting the dead skin off, so you don't want to skip this step. I also add brown sugar because it is great for not only exfoliating the skin, but hydrating the skin and also giving it a very shiny glow. Okay, so that's pretty much it for all the dry products. So you just want to go ahead and give that all a mix, and you can you don't just have to use a spoon, you can also kind of use your hand. You can see me doing this here, but this really just makes sure that everything is mixed very well. So the first oil that I like to use is olive oil. It is a great antioxidant and has a lot of vitamins packed in it. You'll see after you use it, your skin is going to be very dewy and soft. Okay, so this right here is my holy grail. Rosehip oil is amazing for correcting dark spots, reducing scars and fine lines, and it also hydrates dry and itchy skin. Okay, so this is the last oil that I'm going to be using today. This is actually some organic African shea butter, and I like to use this oil because it does moisturize dry skin, it treats acne, blemishes, and it smells good also. I like the smell, it makes you feel good, and you just feel so soft after you use it. Okay, so this is an optional step. This right here is my moon water that I've manifested over the last month of December for the Gemini moon. It's just very personal for me, so if you have anything like that, you can add that in too. Okay, so now that we have all our products in, you just really want to get to mixing. Just do your best of mixing it, just really chopping it. Make sure the shea butter is broken down and everything's all mixed and blended well together. You can also use your hands. Sometimes I do that because it feels a little bit more personal and you can really get in there and make sure that your scrub is good. As you see right there, I added in some extra oil, so don't be afraid to add more ingredients if needed. Alright, so once you finish mixing your scrub, you want to transfer it all over into a jar. You can use any jar. This is just a jar that I got from the grocery store. They had like a pack of 4. I can't remember the price, but it was very cheap. I know it was under like $10, so just use whatever works for you and whatever you can fit it into. Alright you guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that I was able to help someone out there. If I was, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know any video ideas that you guys would like to see. Thank you.